So we have these symmetrical moves. This is the modern market. This is the current market that we are in now. October 22 low, 2022. 20% up move, 9% correction. And of course, the 21% up move, 11% correction. Easy math. For those of you that struggle with math, 10% average, 21% up move, and I'm expecting a 10% correction based on the fractal history of the markets. Notice the exact same fractal patterns presenting themselves. What am I talking about? July 1999 high, October 1999 low, did the same moves last year. Run up into January, February. Here's your February correction. Notice the percentages are the same on the waves up. 20% move up, 10% correction, 10.35% correction. This pattern actually started breaking down here in January, and here we are approaching mid-February. I'm expecting the bottom to be around mid-March now with the breakout timing that we're doing, or the breakdown timing that we're doing. And then we're waving back up for a new all-time high before selling off into the summer. Remember these moves: July high, October low, rally up into January, mid-February, sell off into March. Then we're pushing up for a new all-time high and then selling off into the summer and taking out our low. All assets will be on this train, including Bitcoin. With that breakdown to begin here, end of next week, following week, mid-February, which means we're bottoming in mid-March and then pushing back up for our all-time high, spring equinox, which is March 21st, into April. You're going to have that all-time high. I want to be short here in these markets, and then I'm going to be long at the bottom in these markets.